Cove. The entrance of Soton Cove. And travel to Soton Cove more than 2 hours. And by the way guys, we need to transfer to a smaller boat. Only 6 people in a 1 boat. Only 4 destination belong to Soton Cove. Soton Cove, Agukan Cave, Diving Cave, and Jellyfish Lagoon. The first destination. After the next destination, we need to proceed the Tiktikan Lagoon. We're gonna eat first before to proceed the activity there. The activity, swing, slide, jumping board, and swim. And the last destination is Clavtara Resort, only viewing. We take a picture, video, and after, going back to the park. Okay guys, baka gusto nyo mag-group picture, yan yung phone. Picture tayo dito sa bangka.
Sure. A few moments later.
Entrance ng sa hotel ko.
From here, it's just a matter of 10 minutes going to the tour sites, but you need to transfer another smaller boat with 2 community guides. The capacity for boat is just only 6 packs. Your guide is the one who identify you're gonna go first, I'm gonna so on and so forth. Okay? From here again, it's just a matter of 10 minutes going to the tour sites, but your tour durations is a minimum 1.5 hour and maximum of 2 hours enabled to complete the whole activity package, namely Suoton Cove, Agawan Cave, Diving Cave, and Jellyfish Lagoon. That 4 are the top attractions of Bukas Grande Island. For all you to know, baka nalito po tayo, Bukas Grande Island is a part of Siargao. You are still in Siargao pa rin po. Because in Surigao del Norte, we consist of 2 districts, 1 and 2, Webilong and District 1. Consisting 9 municipalities, 8 are located in Siargao mainland, and 1 here in Bukas Grande Island. Socorro is our town name here. Who's the one who know Senor Aguila? Okay. This is the place of Senor Aguila, but Senor Aguila is quite too far from here. Okay? Going back here, our top attractions again is the Suoton Cove, Agawan Cave, Diving Cave, and Jellyfish Lagoon. We call it Suoton Cove because in our vernacular, Visayan word, Suot means we need to go inside. It's a tunnel cave approximately 40 meters long, passable only during low tide. But this time, you are lucky because Suoton is available anytime because of half moon. You know what? Yung tawag namin locally known as Adja-ay, meaning there is no quiet movement of the sea from low tide to high tide. Locally known as Adja-ay. So Suoton will open any time for this day. Okay? So you are lucky. And then again going back, Suoton, it's a tunnel cave. It is only the entrance and exit for a 70 hectares lagoon inside. Okay? Suoton is we are nature and adventure. Why? Because mostly of activities is like an adventure po. There are 3 top activities that you need to explore inside Suoton Cove Tour po. First, the cliff diving or popularly known as here diving cave. We call it diving cave because in the entrance you need to go inside the cave and then your exit is a jump off the water. It's a 12 feet plus your height. Remember that place is optional, meaning if you can do it, why not? You can go and jump. But if you think you cannot do it, we do advise you to stay on the ground and go back to your boat. Otherwise, when you go up, you take only 2 options. 1, you need to jump off. Second one will push you. Because it's better to jump rather than to go back po. That's why we take it optional. Okay? Klaro po ba?
Ilang feet yun mataas?
12 feet plus your height po, madam. Okay? But, again, your final volitions po is on that site na po if you think you can do it or not po. Kasi you can see it naman later. Okay? You can decide and see it later po kung kaya ba sa kaluluwa natin or hindi. Anyway, that's only 12 feet plus your height. The second one is the snoring cave or locally known as Hagukan Cave. That cave, we call it Hagukan because in the first place, it's a cave. And then they produce sounds like snore from high tide going to low tide or reverse. From low tide going to high tide. When they have the opening, the small opening of that cave, that's the time they produce sounds like snore. Okay? Parang nagproproduce sila ng hilik. Because, again, that's open and close, that's the time they produce sounds like snore. Okay, what you are going to do that side? All you have to do, just you hold your breath around 7 to 10 seconds in order to get inside. Kakayanin or kayanin? Okay? It's a natural swimming pool inside. It's a beautiful cave inside because the water inside is luminous. Meaning, the white become whiter and the guwapa lalong gumagwapa. Okay? The black become white because again, the water is luminous. And super ganda po sa loob. Okay? That's I do promise. If you are nature lover, you really appreciate Suoton Cove Tour po. Because we are more on nature and adventure po. Wala pong masyadong dinidinap dito, just only purely natural po. And then the third and the last activity that you need to explore is the Jellyfish Sanctuary. For all you to know, we have 2 types of jellyfish here in Bukas Grande Island. The spotted one, that one is you can say tarpaulin, and the purely white one. What we have right now is only the both po. Yung available that we have right now is both po either the white and the spotted one. But the spotted one is maliliit lang po sila. Ang dami nila ngayon because they regenerated again. Tapos konti-konti lang po sila. Maliliit po sila. Ang dami na pero maliliit lang po. What we have na marami is the white one. But the characteristic of white one, they love to go deep po. You need to hold your breath or swim deep around 2 meters to 3 meters po that you can see it. The characteristics of that one, they love to go up when they have a sunny day po. Okay? And then, what's more? In addition, what we are talking about here is only 3 important matters lang po. One, we require you to obey and follow the instructions of your community guides during the actual tours. Okay? Second one is a protocol here to wear life vests and hard hats. But if you wish to think of that one, particularly if you know how to swim, when you're going to swim deep in a Jaliki Sanctuary, that is optional. But to be clear, for those who do not know how to swim, we do not totally encourage you to take off your life vest. Again, safety first is our top priority. But if you really wish to take off that one, just take advice of your community guides so that someone will look at you. Okay? And then third and last one, please take advice that all your things that you will bring is under your own discretion po. That's why we do advise you to take exactly your cell phones, your cameras, and everything, particularly for those non-breathable things. If you have something that can protect it, like dry bags, cell phone protectors, we do encourage that one to use it right now na po. Okay? Last one more, double check your earrings, necklace, if you have bracelets, and we do encourage you to wear your slippers and apasios because one of your activity inside is to walk particularly in the diving cave po. Okay? Is there any clarifications po? Anyways, any guests here that you feel uncomfortable during the closed area, so like claustrophobic guests po? For the foreign? Wala po? Okay, hearing none, will say yes. Tour guides, wrap. Okay.
A few moments later.
ma'am, sir, pakiready na lang po sa mga cellphone nyo. Kasi ilang segundo na lang po, papasok na po tayo sa entrance ng circle para makapicture po tayo. At pwede naman kayo magbigay sa akin ng isang cellphone na habang papasok po tayo, kukunan ko kayo ng video.
Okay ma'am, pakiulang ng ulo ma'am. Uy.
Ate. Ay, ang dilim. Wow. Lalabas na. Wow.
Yun po yung entrance ng Soton. Entrance, ang only exit. Isa lang entrance, mamaya din naman tayo mamaya lalabas. So ang Soton po is accessible sa during the tide. Kasi pag once na high tide, hindi tayo pwede makapunta sa loob kasi yung entrance pa lang, puno na ng dagat. Liko lang. Yoko. Yoko. Pwede na ma'am. Say hi guys! Okay, dito sa right side po, ito po yung landmark here going to exit. Para tandaan po ito, ito yung tinatawag na horseshoe. Pag hindi natin makikita, it means na nawala tayo sa lugar.
Wala.
Kasi yung Soton, malaki na sasabihin ka, sasabihin ka na malaki. Sarap po kayo, tapos ibakurahan natin yung horseshoe. Din kasi yung nag-una nakasama niyo, inuna nila yung palo na lang tayo.
Cliff diving.
Ito po yung tinatawag na mag-upob cover. Kaya po ito tinatawag na mag-upob kasi bago ka papasok, talagang yung upo kayo. And then hindi kailangan mag-swim, kundi lalakarin lang natin ito. And then you have harap lang yung inside, nakita niyo yung diving pit na yan, doon kayo magkasama.
Doon
Pero
tatalon.
sa hindi gustong tatalon, pwede naman kayo papasok lang tapos babalik lang kayo para mag-picture-picture lang kayo sa loob.
Smile ka, ma'am. Okay.
Saan ba yung ano dito ni Marila Sin? Di ba? Dito yun. Vlog. Tapos
Ano ma'am?
ni Marila Sin. Yung sa vlog na
Doon sa kabila.
kami pa po.
Okay, picture guys, picture. Ay, okay.
Ay.
Sige, sige muna. Muna. Dalawa na tayo. Sabay kayo. Say hi, sir. Hello. Dandahan lang. Say hi, ma'am. Hi. Dilim.
Lulutang ka dyan pag ano. Mga life vest eh. Huwag kang hihiga.
Huwag humawak, ma'am.
Higa lang, te. Yun.
Diretso pa, ma'am, para hindi sasabit yung ano mo.
Sige.
Okay, survive. Si Kuya Michael na lang. Ay, oo nga. Para siyang daga. Dagang nakabitin. Mas madalim na nga rin sa area na to. Ito na yung point na kailangan mo nang sabihin sa guide kung tatalon ka or hindi. Ayan, ganda.
Ito lang sir. Pero yung labas, close din. Yung entrance.
Kami na nga lang ni husband na nag-proceed dito at bumalik na rin yung mga kasamahan namin. So, ito yung inakit ko.
Start na, ma'am. Doon ka na, ma'am. Doon ka na. Huwag kang humawak dyan sa roof. Baka maano ka. Okay. Sumabit. Yes, tatalon lang. Kuya, hindi marunong magsiswim. Okay. One. Isa lang. 1 feet lang. One step lang. Okay. Okay. John Ray, hindi marunong magsiswim. Si Sir. Oh.
Lulutang naman ako yun, ha?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sa ngayon po, welcome to the Jellyfish Sanctuary. Dito, pwede kayo makaswimming with jellyfish kasi katulad sa sinabi ko kanina na pwede natin hawakan yung jellyfish dito.
Ayun yung snorkel natin.
Ito yung mga brown.
Ayun.
Bulangin ka naman, bulangin ka. Sabi ko na ito gabi.
Oo nga, malambot. Ay, oo.
Bago kayo magtatat sa ano nyo, mukha, wash your hands.
Wash your hands sa to.
Okay, sa ngayon po, welcome to the last activity. So ito po yung tinatawag na mag-helicopter. Kaya po ito tinatawag na mag-helicopter kasi simula sa high tide during low tide, ang magpuproduce ng helit niya yung hangin sa loob na lalabas, mga vacuum. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa tayong marinig kasi yung dagat kasi close pa. So ang gagawin natin pagpunta sa loob, hold your breath in 6 to 7 seconds. Papunta sa loob kasi yung entrance, sisirin po natin. And then paglagpas ng 6 seconds para siyang as in dome. Dito yung makikita natin yung green luminous water.
I-assist rin kami sa pag-ano.
Pero paalala lang sa inyo na bawal dito yung may mga problema sa puso.
A few moments later.
Kami nga lang ni husband ang natuloy dito kasi para makapasok ka, tatanggalin yung life vest pero iaabang naman sa kabilang side yung life vest na gagamitin mo sa loob.
Compressor, compress. Say hi. Wow, delicious. Isama ko yung sa taas, ma'am. Ha? Isama ko yung sa taas, yung i-background natin sa taas. Okay.
Binalik na nga kami dun sa start-up point and then magla-lunch na kami. Ito na yung ulam, char. Yung lunch namin ay sa Tikpikan Lagoon. Doon din yung second part ng activities. See you!